Hola, hola! Yo soy Dominique Vibez y bienvenidos a mi channel. Hello, hello! I'm Dominique Vibez and welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a fabulous day. I'm currently in Cádiz, Spain, staying at Casa Caracol, and I just wanted to show you around the hostel. I know I've kind of given my hasta luegos twice now, but now I'm out on the street, so I kind of have a little bit more I want to show you. So I came from this way, from the bus station going to the hostel, and so this is the view you have. You see all this beautiful tile work here, and you see the lovely sign for Casa Caracol. So at nighttime, or if you need to come in through this entrance, you can. You just enter in the code and then you're able to go in that way. But to begin with, when you're checking in, it's really helpful to follow these areas to be able to find the main door of reception and just follow it down the street. And this here is the bike company that I was talking about, California. They have bikes, they have segways. So yeah, check them out if that's what you wanted to do. You're split right into the street. Here's the door, here are the vibes. And I'll actually give you a little bit of a walking tour so you can see all the things that are nearby literally as soon as you walk out the hostel. Cádiz is small, so it's really quick and easy to get around and just see main things about the city. Literally so quick to get here. This is like the main square area. Literally the beach is right there. When I first arrived, I ran and sprinted just so I could get to the beach and just see the view, because I haven't seen a beach in 4 months and I was dying. I was teared up because I need the sea. I need the vitamin C in my life. It's Christmas time, so everything is decorated. At nighttime, all this lights up and it's just gorgeous. This is I gotta pull up my maps. This is the Plaza de San Juan de Dios. And this building, yeah, I believe it's a government building. The city hall of Cádiz. So if you go that way and go down all the streets, it's all lit up. Got all this Christmas stuff. I'm obsessed with palm trees. Before moving to Spain, I knew nothing about Spain. I didn't have any expectations. I knew nothing. I quickly found out that they have a Mediterranean type of climate. It's December right now, y'all. Like, I'm chilling in a coat. You don't have to wear a coat, you know, if you're just warm. It's 18 degrees Celsius right now. Maybe 60-ish Fahrenheit. But yeah, I knew nothing about Spain before coming here, and so after leaving Florida, I was so happy to see all these palm trees because there's so many, and they're almost never ending, to be honest. Got a monument here, and this right here is the marina that I was talking about with the ships. So this is the square view. And there's another spot that I will take you to on this little walking tour. I'm just going to continue this way for a moment. Yeah, this is the marina. They got all the cruise ships here, parks. Heading into the city, we came in this way and it's just gorgeous. Alright, we're headed to the next area. Let's go! This is the city hall and we're going to be going to the right to the next plaza. In Spain, eating outside is very popular. I really do enjoy that aspect about the culture. Alright, so we're going to be going this way. Alright, so this is the Plaza de la Catedral. It's all decorated for Christmas. Right here, 100 Macaditos is a really popular, really cheap food and drinks to just sit and enjoy. They even have a Christmas market out if you want to buy nativity scenes or any type of like artisanal stuff like bracelets, rings, silver jewelry. At nighttime, this whole place is just lit up. The Christmas tree is really beautiful. But just like look at this cathedral. Wow, it's crazy. We got the Christmas tree. I'll definitely include a clip at nighttime when all this is lit up because it's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. They got the outdoor seating, the Christmas markets, the cathedral. And that is that. Again, all of this is literally right outside the door of the hostel, right down the street. And just behind this is the water. It's so small that you could easily and quickly get to the water. And there's a pier, there's a walkway. They even have a bike lane. Many people are biking on scooters, rollerblades. Lots of activities going on here. Overall, good vibes. Next time you're in Europe or traveling around, maybe you'll consider to check out Cádiz. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate all the love and support. Peace, love, good vibes, y'all, and I'll see you on my next adventure. Ciao! For real this time. Ciao!